not just about the showcasing the beauty of our destination on the silver screen, but also about preserving our cultural heritage in respected countries, promoting local tourism and local talent, and ensuring sustainable growth. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to all the participants, organizers, and partners who have extended and contributed in this event. My special thanks to Dr. K. Garu and Dilwant Garu for gracing the occasion. Let us unlock the magic of film tourism and ensure that our incredible destinations continue to captivate hearts and minds around the world. You are all aware that the theme of India G20 presidency, as a vision of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, one world, one family, one future, is inspired by our ancient belief of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, means the world is one family. I once again express my gratitude to the entire G20 family for your presence here in beautiful city of Srinagar. I hope coming 2 days, the 3 days conference will conclude with a proper message, and especially ecotourism and film tourism to exchange and one country to other country best practices and exchange in technology, and through tourism and sustainability and cultural preservation and also employment generation. This is our agenda. I once again welcome all the international delegates and stakeholders and dignitaries on behalf of Government of India and the Ministry of Culture, G20, this third tourism meetings, group of meetings. Friends, I once again thank and welcome. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you, sir. It was indeed a pleasure to understand the elaborated efforts of India to promote film tourism with the focus of attaining the aim of Atmanirbhar. And ladies and gentlemen, our special guest, Shri Konitela Ramcharan, is one of the highest paid actors of Indian cinema. He is a recipient of 3 Filmfare Awards and 2 Nandi Awards. Since 2013, he has featured in Forbes India's Celebrity 100 list. Made his acting debut with the action film Chiratha in 2007, a box office hit, winning the Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. South. He rose to prominence starring in S.S. Rajamouli's fantasy action film Madanira in 2009, the highest grossing Telugu film of all times. At the time of its release, winning the Filmfare Award for Best Actor Telugu. His notable works include Racha 2012, Nayak 2013, Yevadu 2014, Govindudu, Antarvidulu 2014 and Dhruva 2016. He has then starred in the blockbuster Rangsthalam 2018, winning his 2nd Filmfare Award for Best Actor Telugu. And of course the famous RRR in 2022, which earned over 1,200 crores, thus becoming his highest grossing. For RRR, he received a nomination at the Critics' Choice Super Awards for Best Actor in an Action Movie. In 2016, launched his own production house, Conidella Production Company, which has notably bagged Khadi number 150 in 2017 and Sai Rao Narasimha Reddy 2019. Beyond his film career, he owns the Polo Team, Hyderabad Polo and Riding Club, and was a co-owner of the regional airline service TrueJet. His song Natu Natu won the Oscars this year for being the best original song. And may I now invite you, sir, to kindly grace the stage. Let's give a hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the fireside chat session with Sri K. Ramtun, our special guest, in conversation with